Hey there, Michelle Dittmer from the Canadian Gap Year Association coming at you with three important things today. I want to talk to you about some of the trends I'm noticing in 2022 gappers, some of the three biggest mistakes that I am seeing coming across the board. So pay attention, see if you are falling into any one of these three traps. The first one is an obsession over your finances and the cost of your gap year. Now, being financially savvy and being careful with how you spend your money is a great trait to have, but you shouldn't let that overwhelm you and completely debilitate your ability to choose programs and get involved in things. Life costs money. You have spent money on family vacations. You have spent money on tutoring or joining sports teams. All of these are investments in your development. And I want you to see your gap year in that same way. So I don't want you to be scared of money. I want you to be strategic with the money that you have and how you are going to invest in yourself. So that's the mind shift that I want you to think about is you are investing in yourself. And how do you want to invest in yourself on your gap year? Whether that is working with a personal trainer or traveling around the world or purchasing that camera to see if you have a real passion for photography. So investing in yourself rather than being too scared to spend a penny on your gap year. The second thing that I'm noticing is that there is a complete challenge around staying organized on your gap year. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, like your ideas are all over the place, that you can't remember when things are supposed to happen, get in there and learn how to use your calendar. This is going to be a tool that is going to help you throughout your life and on your gap year. So figure out whether it is your iCal, an app on your phone, Google Calendars, whatever's working for you, jump in there, spend a couple minutes on YouTube learning how to really use it to your advantage. Your phone is a great way to keep all of your notes organized, having bookmark bars in your browsers to make sure you're capturing all those potential opportunities, and then slotting in all of your non-negotiables into your calendar is going to help you out so you don't miss the deadline for applying to university. You don't schedule a trip on top of your friend's wedding. You don't spend too much time focusing on certain elements of your gap year. So getting organized is going to support you so much on having a successful and epic gap year. The third thing, this is an age-old mistake that I see, is the inability to make a decision. And sometimes this comes from feeling just so overwhelmed with all of the choices that are out there. And I get it. But let me tell you my mantra around decision making. There are no wrong decisions. But the flip side of that is that there are no right decisions either. The only mistake you can make around decision making is to not make a decision and just stay on your couch at home, not engaging, not making new friends, and not getting involved. So you've got to get out there. You've got to make some decisions and commit to something, whether that is joining an improv team, signing up to be part of a gym, or committing to some sort of travel experience. Whatever that is, you just need to make some decisions. Now, if you need help overcoming any of these challenges, feel free to book a call with me. I'd be more than happy to chat with you, help you make some of those decisions, help you get organized, and help you decide how you should invest in yourself on your gap year. See you soon.